So today I'm about to show you how to download a written notebook summary as a PDF from Notebook LM. First, open your dashboard on Notebook LM and click into the notebook containing the written summary you want to save. Navigate to your Save Notes panel or open the Studio panel where your generated brief is sitting. Since Notebook LM does not feature a direct native download as PDF button, you have to use a built-in workflow shortcut. Hover your mouse over to the specific written summary card, click the three vertical dots icon in the top right-hand corner, and select Export to Docs. Notebook LM will instantly convert your summary and open it automatically as a brand new document in Google Docs. Once the document loads, navigate to the top right-hand corner, click on File, scroll down a bit to the Download sub-menu, and click on PDF Document. Your formatted summary will immediately download straight to your computer's local hard drive. Pro tip: if you find yourself frequently exporting dozens of research summaries and want to bypass the Google Docs step entirely, head over to Chrome Web Store, search for a free tool like Notebook LM to PDF Export extension. And that's it. That's how to download a written notebook summary as a PDF from Notebook LM. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.